Hello my creative friends, welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'm going to be making a Zelda Breath of the Wild cookbook. I really enjoyed playing Zelda Breath of the Wild, and in the cooking part of the game I wish I had a recipe book to refer to. So finally I'm making my wish come true. I am starting with this box. You can use any box, for example a cereal box. You want to keep one side of the box and this will be the spine of the book. I start by covering the box. Now you can either draw some images or you can use a colour printer and print lots of Zelda patterns and backgrounds. Just search on Google or draw some images. I add some paint to the cover of the book. You can add some ribbon, and I decide to add some gold ribbon to my book. I glue my sheets of paper together, and I like to add lots of scrap pattern paper and some plain paper where I can write my recipes. I also decide to paint inside. You can use many different materials and really make it a mixed media piece. To bind the book together, I pierce 3 holes with this sharp tool, and you can use a pin if you don't have this tool. I sew from one hole to another and finally tie it off. Any paper sticking out, I will cut off. I place some more paper and paint to hide the holes I made. And my book is complete. So I'll just show you inside. I love all the different textured paper and the painted bits, of course. You might decide to print the recipes from the internet, but I will be writing on mine. I am really happy with the outcome, and this book is going to come in really handy when I'm playing Zelda Breath of the Wild. Thank you very much for watching.